major types of vegetation in India are tropical evergreen forests, tropical deciduous forests, tropical thorn and scrubs forests, montane forests, and mangrove forests. Tropical evergreen forests are characterized by heavy rainfall and a warm climate. For example, the forests along the western slopes of the Western Ghats can be classified as tropical evergreen forests. Other areas with evergreen forests in India are the archipelagos of the Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu and parts of Assam. These areas receive more than 200 centimeters of rainfall. In addition, the climate in these areas is warm and wet for most of the year, resulting in evergreen forests. This is an ideal condition for thick foliage like trees, shrubs, and creepers. The commercially important trees grown in this area are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, and cinchona. These forests also have a variety of animals like elephant, monkey, lemur, and deer. The endangered one-horned rhino is found in these jungles in Assam and West Bengal. A variety of birds, bats, sloth, scorpions, and snails are also found in these jungles. The next type of forest is tropical deciduous forests, which makes up most of the forest area in India. These forests depend on the monsoon and hence are also known as monsoon forests. The rainfall in these areas is in the range of 70 to 200 centimeters. This is a wide range, and hence there is a further classification in the forests on the basis of the rainfall they receive. The areas that receive between 100 and 200 centimeter rains are known as moist deciduous forests, like some parts of the northeastern states along the foothills of the Himalayas, Jharkhand, western Orissa, Chhattisgarh, and along the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. Commercially important trees here include teak, bamboo, sal, shisham, sandalwood, kher, kusum, Arjun, and mulberry. On the other hand, the areas that receive between 70 and 100 centimeter rainfall are classified as dry deciduous forests. For example, the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. These are sparsely populated with the teak, sal, peepal, and Neem trees. The animals commonly found here are elephants, lions, tigers, and deer. A variety of birds, lizards, snakes, and tortoises are also found here. The next type of forest is thorn forests and scrubs. Unlike evergreen and deciduous forests, the vegetation in thorn forests and scrubs is restricted to thorn plants and scrubs due to scanty rainfall. These types of forests are common in regions below 70 cm of rainfall, like the semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. The trees and plants in these regions are scattered, so the vegetation is very sparse. Accordingly, the trees and plants have also adapted themselves to survive in this harsh environment. The roots of trees grow very long and deep to access precious water and moisture from deep inside the soil. The stems of these plants are fleshy to conserve water for a longer period. The leaves are like thorns to minimize evaporation. Trees like the acacias, palms, euphorbias, and cacti are common here. A host of animals have also adapted to these conditions. Some of them being rabbits, foxes, wolves, tigers, lions, horses, and camels. Did you know that India is the only country in the world that has both tigers and lions? India's rich biodiversity provides a natural habitat for both these animals of prey. The next type of forests that we look at are montane forests, which are found in the mountainous regions. Montane forests, found primarily in Jammu and Kashmir and Arunachal Pradesh, are very different in their makeup from other types of forests, as the temperature and soil conditions are different on different altitudes. Broadly speaking, the natural vegetation here is in the same succession as you would find in areas ranging from the tropics to the tundras. For example, at an altitude of 1000 to 2000 meters, wet temperate types of forests are found. Here, you will find evergreen broadleaf trees like oak and chestnut trees, found mostly in the eastern Himalayas and the western Ghats. If you move higher to around 1500 to 3000 meters, you will see temperate forests with coniferous trees. Like pine, deodar, and silver fir are found in the southern Himalayas and also in some parts of the Nilgiri hills. However, in case of the Nilgiri Hills, the original trees are rapidly being replaced by the more commercial eucalyptus trees. Slightly above these altitudes are the temperate grasslands, which are extensively used by nomadic tribes like the Gujars and the Bakarwals. At higher levels, above 3,600 meters, alpine vegetation like junipers and birches are found. Higher than this forms part of the Tundra Vegetation, where mosses and lichens are found. The animals found in these forests are the Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, and various other animals. Did you know a tree line is the edge of the habitat, beyond which there is no vegetation due to severe weather conditions? In India, the tree line is at 4,400 meters on the Himalayas. Finally, we have the mangrove forests, usually found in coastal areas. Mangroves are a variety of plants and trees with their roots submerged in water. The roots of these trees and plants are held by the mud and silt that accumulate on these coasts. Dense mangrove forests are found in the deltas of the Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, and the Kaveri. Trees of commercial value like the Sundari, palm, coconut, Kiora, and Agar are found in these forests on the delta. Wild animals such as the Royal Bengal tiger, crocodile, gharial, turtle, and snake are found here as well.